Hey guys, let's learn how to undo conditional formatting in Excel. I have color format in column C and I wanted to undo this format. I wanted to bring column C similar to column D. So in that case, just select column C, go to Home tab. In Home tab, go to Conditional Formatting. In Conditional Formatting, go to Clear Rules. Clear rules from selected cells or clear rules from entire sheet. I just want to undo this format in specific cells, which is in column C. So I'm just clicking on Clear Rules from selected cell and see the color formats cleared out from column C. In this way, you can undo conditional formatting in Excel.